Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge tech gear. Today, we've got something truly remarkable for you: the Highwings certified 8K HDMI 2.1 cable. Get ready to experience entertainment like never before. Let's kick things off with the basics. The Highwings 8K HDMI cable is not your ordinary cable. It's a certified ultra-high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. What does that mean? Well, it means you're stepping into the future of entertainment. With support for the latest HDMI 2.1 standard, this cable can handle resolutions up to a mind-blowing 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. That's 4 times the resolution of regular 4K. Say goodbye to those annoying frame stutters and lost frames during your favorite movies or gaming sessions. But it's not just about resolution, it's about the immersive experience. Thanks to dynamic HDR and 12-bit color processing technology, each frame of your video comes alive with unparalleled depth, detail, and contrast. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or editing multimedia content, get ready to be blown away. Gamers, this cable is your best friend. It unlocks up to 4K at 120 Hz for ultra-smooth gameplay. No more lag, no more compromises, just pure gaming nirvana. It's compatible with any device that supports the 4K at 120 Hz HDMI source specified in HDMI 2.1. And let's talk about sound. Audiophiles, rejoice! This cable supports EARC, providing an unparalleled audio experience. Whether it's Dolby Panoramic Sound or DTS-X, you're in for a treat. Get ready to be immersed in every sonic detail. Now, let's discuss durability. Highwings knows that a cable should be built to last. That's why they've used top-of-the-line materials, including 24K gold-plated connectors, an aluminum alloy housing, and a reinforced tail design. Encased in double-layer nylon, this cable is ready for the long haul. And here's the best part. It's backward compatible with HDMI 2.0B, 2.0, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, 1.1 devices, ensuring versatility and wide-ranging compatibility. You won't have to worry about replacing all your existing equipment. So, whether you're in mirror mode, casting your computer screen to a larger display, or in extended mode for productivity, the Highwings 8K HDMI cable has you covered. In conclusion, the Highwings certified 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is a game-changer in the world of entertainment and connectivity. It's time to embrace superior visuals, immersive gaming, and unparalleled audio quality, all in one exceptional package. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech gear reviews here on Product Critique. Trust in our commitment to innovation and quality. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Until next time, elevate your entertainment experience with Highwings. We'll see you in the next tech adventure.